Padmasana, Lotus Pose by Atmik Yoga. Preparatory pose. Sit in Dandasana. Fold the right leg and place your right foot on your left thigh. Interlace your fingers and lock your right knee in your hands. Gently move your folded leg up and down. Keep your spine erect throughout the practice. Repeat this for 10 times. Try to touch the floor while pushing down your leg. Similarly, try to bring the leg as close as possible to your chest while moving up. Perform this practice for 10 times and repeat the same in the opposite leg. Doing this asana regularly loosens up the tight hip and knee joints. This helps the beginner to sit in Padmasana comfortably. Once performing the preparatory pose, relax and sit in Dandasana. Gently bend and place right foot on top of the left thigh. Keep your sole facing upwards and the heel closer to the groin area. Bend the other leg and place the foot on the right thigh. As you see, we have two windows in the screen. The smaller window shows the incorrect way and the larger screen shows the correct method of doing. Let us now take a closer look of how we are not supposed to do. Gently lift your foot and place on your thighs. Do not pull or drag your leg while folding. One can keep their hand in Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra as shown here. Keep the eyes closed and relax the entire body. The knees should be touching the floor, shoulders relaxed, the head and the spine in a straight line. Padmasana is one of the best meditative posture which helps to sit stable for a longer period of time. Benefits: Padmasana is a hip opener which also calms the mind, alleviating stress. This kindles the digestive fire and thus relieves digestive problems like constipation or diarrhea. This also strengthens the joints of knee and ankle. Eases the menstrual cramps in women. Padmasana provides proper posture and healthy spine with reduced muscular tension. Contraindications of Padmasana: people with knee or ankle injuries and sciatica should not perform this pose without proper flexibility training from a professional trainer. Pregnant women can perform Ardha Padmasana instead of complete Padmasana. One can sit in this posture until one feels comfortable. Relax and repeat in the opposite side. The benefits of this pose are numerous, so we request our viewers to perform this Padmasana and reap the fruit. Health is wealth. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, please press like and comment. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification on our next video.